People say 2025 was a big year for AI, but at ACEBOTT, the real change happened when students started building and understanding technology themselves. Hi, I'm Sylvan from ACEBOTT. This year showed us one thing clearly. When tools are easy to use, students focus less on fixing problems and more on learning how things work. Seeing how schools and educators use our QD and QE series is what keeps us improving our kids. In 2026, we are focusing on things schools actually ask for: clear IoT projects, easier blockly programming, and new AI-related learning content designed for STEM education. For your students or program in 2026, would AI or IoT be more useful? Let us know in the comments. Our goal stays the same: to help more students learn by building and understanding. Let's keep improving STEM education together in 2026.
Subscribe ACEBOTT for more STEM content.